subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched two new Reno series phones in India called Oppo Reno 7 and Reno 7 Pro. Both the Reno 7 5G and Reno 7 Pro 5G were initially launched back in November last year in China, but the Indian variant of the Reno 7 5G is different from the Chinese model, and instead it is similar to Reno 7 SE launched in China. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 7 5G features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is also expandable via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Oppo Reno 7 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 190° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS dual skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 65W SuperVOOC fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has multi-layer liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes Hyper Boost mode feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.6 by 73.2 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno 7 5G has been priced in India at 28,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 17th in Starry Black and Star Trails blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 7 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.